Hi folks, today I am going to explain a program in Python that is converting an integer number to decimal number. This is a program which convert integer to decimal number. First of all, I will import a library called decimal. Import decimal. Then it is the library which helps us to execute the code easily. Then I will assign integer to the variable named as integer is equal to 10. In place of integer it can be anything like other than the data type, int, char, or other than the data type we can write anything like s, w, like that. Then I will print the integer as the decimal number using library. Print of decimal dot decimal of integer. Next, type is a function which is used to know the data type of object. Let me print the type to that also. Let me print that print of type of decimal dot decimal of integer. Yeah, let me print the output. Yeah, this is the output of our first program, which is converted as the decimal from integer. Okay, take care of your parents.